Hello everyone. Due to some technical problem, we are a little late for the show today, and but we are today, and we welcome you all to When India's Nari Shakti live session, and this is the seventh day of Navratri. So seventh day of Navratri is for Devi Kalrati. Saptami on seventh day of Navratri is of goddess Kalrati. As per legends, she sacrificed her skin color and embarrassed a dark complexion to kill demons. She is a four-armed deity who rides a donkey, carries a sword, a trident, and a nose. She has a third eye on her forehead that is believed to contain the entire universe. And before we begin, it's a gentle reminder registration for awards 2021 are closing very soon, and hope you have registered already. And also show support to When India members by visiting our e-super mall. The link will be shared in the comment section. Now, back to today's session with Gopi Vishrolia. Let me add her to the stream. Hi, Gopi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So I apologize for the delay for the session.
That's okay. Perfectly fine.
Okay, let me introduce you to our viewers. Gopi Vishrolia, a Gujarati, had always wanted to be a businesswoman. Since she was a child. Therefore, she earned her master's degree in finance. But in the midst of all this, she entered into the tourism industry and was hired by Tourism Corporation of Gujarat Limited. She is now Karnataka operational head and lives in Bangalore. She has successfully represented Gujarat tourism in several national and international events, expos, and road shows, as well as winning numerous awards such as Youngest Speaker, Panelist, Woman Influencer, and the list goes on. So nice to have you, Gopi.
It is a pleasure to be on this platform, and I'm so amazed that you guys are doing great job. Like when India actually rocks, that's amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, will you like to talk about yourself a little bit to our viewers before I start my questions to you?
Yeah, sure. So myself as Vandita ji introduced, I am Gopi. Basically, I'm from Jamnagar, but after my studies and then I joined Gujarat Tourism, and then I'm promoted and I'm in Bangalore, handling the operations of the state. And being into this field, I think it taught me many things. So eventually, it was a very good journey till date, and just hoping more and more to happen good things. And I think When India is doing great job, so I hope many sessions with When India will be there in future as well.
Sure, sure. So, Gopi, just a few days back, I was talking to one of my Gujarati friend, and I told her about my son, that my son has chosen commerce in his 11th grade, and then we will be planning for his masters and all. And she suggested me, instead of sending him to any college, send him to Gujarat for 2 3 years, and he will not need any degree or anything to be a businessman. So,
Point. That's
what
true.
is that inner drive is there in Gujarati, something like that?
No, it is not like that, but I think, that's genetical. Business is genetical, that is actually in blood of all the good Jews. So,
Uh,
yeah. Even if we are doing job, we use our business minded things, that even carrying out the operations.
Absolutely true. So,
Yeah.
how tourism industry attracted you, Gopi?
Okay, now that was very a coincidence. I had joined Gujarat Tourism as an intern because I needed 11
Okay.
months of internship as my part of studies. And
Okay.
after that, I got so attracted to this field and
Hmm.
just got so interested with working with Gujarat Tourism because it has multiple sectors to work. I joined
Hmm.
as a finance intern,
Okay.
and right now I am the operational head. So I have completed almost 7 years with Gujarat Tourism. This is the eighth
Hmm.
year being around
Oh,
this
wow.
organization. Yeah. So except finance, I think I do everything right now: PR, marketing, promotion, sales, which I was very weak at, very weak. I would say I just used to play with the figures. That is my finance. That's my profile. But
Hmm.
now, eventually, yeah, it shaped me a lot. It shaped me.
Okay. And how was work journey of Tourism Corporation Gujarat? I mean, how did that shift happen? You
And
joined as an intern, and then what? You gave some interview and joined some post, or how it happened?
yes, so first as an intern there was nothing like that, but after that I had to give exam. I had to
Okay.
pass two interviews that which went around almost for 1.5 hours. You won't believe. Like exam was for 2 hours, and then we had to wait. Went for like one and a half hour almost. After that,
Oh,
also we had to again go through a HR round as we have in privates also. And then they
oh, okay,
appointed me as the finance executive for hotels branch.
okay,
And I joined a hotel branch over there. And eventually, I was getting an offer from Oracle Bangalore. So the
okay.
people asked, like, no, we don't want you to join other company. You can just take another training. You just go
Oh,
and
wow.
be the operation head over there. So I went again through 1 year of training, almost 1 year of
Okay,
training, and
okay.
all that struggle went. But I think it nurtured me a lot to grow in my life personally as well as professionally, both the things.
Hmm.
So
So they
yeah,
would
it was
have
a
seen your caliber, so that's why they wanted to absorb you there only, not
correct,
willing to leave you. Yeah.
correct. So we do have events, right? We have almost 300 plus festivals and events across the
Oh,
year in Gujarat. So when they used
okay.
to send me here, and they just saw that okay, she is capable to do many things. Now, if you
Uh,
see, Gujarat tourism is having all the youngsters who are handling the states. They're all
hmm.
posted from Gujarat to the different parts of India. So that's
Okay.
amazing. That's amazing. Yeah.
Hmm. And what was the impact of this pandemic on tourism?
Oh, that was really crashed. The market was really crashed. And I think I have seen people who are having the huge travel companies, not only the agencies or tour operators, I would say they have companies, they have
Hmm.
gradually shut and
No.
living into their own bungalows or something. They came down to the rented places, and it was a really bad phase. Until now, still people are still coming up with, like trying to grow in the market, but it's still very tough. It's very tough, and the
Hmm.
condition is really bad, especially the people who are associated with that kind of companies. There are people who are
Hmm.
doing freelance of driving, who are
Hmm.
freelance on other services related to tourism.
Hmm.
They faced
Hmm.
a lot, that is for sure. Many of them
Hmm.
lost their jobs.
Hmm.
So yeah,
Because
it was
there will be people who are only dependent on the tourism industry. They.
exactly.
Uh,
So people like me, I think we are still safe because we were a part of
yeah.
government. But
Uh,
private, I think majority, 70% have faced a lot of problems, and I think there are still 50% who are facing this. They're not getting jobs
hmm.
because their whole career, like me, would be on
Hmm.
tourism only. So they don't have any
Um,
other
place to go.
option, yes, to
Uh,
work. But there are a few
hmm.
companies which are giving them an opportunity, but again, they have to start from
Which is good.
ABCD. They're
Correct,
sitting at
correct.
the highest level position, they are going down and they are starting their life again. So it's very tough.
Hmm.
It's very tough.
Hmm. Even some cities are totally dependent on tourism.
It's
So
we
that
can say
also creates a.
Kolkata. Yes,
Uh,
Kolkata. That is fully
uh,
like 90% is dependent on tourism. It was very bad condition, very bad.
so, are there women in this industry? Like you told, youngsters are there. So, are there more women in this industry
There
or
are
less
many. I
women?
would say
Okay.
there are many people. They are actually doing a great job, and they are a true inspiration for me as well. Like I work with many of the females who
Okay.
have, given their career life just to the
Hmm.
tourism. They're sitting at a
Hmm.
very like director of tourism is a lady. Then we have many
Hmm.
associations whose head are ladies, and
Hmm.
they have been working very nice. You just have to learn from them how to be bold enough, how to be like
Hmm.
sharp, how you have to take care
Hmm.
of yourself, how you have to
Hmm.
groom yourself. These all things
Hmm.
are being taught by them. So we have
Okay.
this session with them
Okay.
also. We do have interview or interactive sessions with them, and it is amazing
Hmm.
to attend it. It's very nice to
Hmm.
learn from them.
Hmm. So, is there any incidents that you would like to share with our viewers today?
Oh, there are many. I would say I think every day we meet minimum, if you see, without if there was no COVID, I used to meet almost 10, 12 people if I'm sitting at my office. If I'm outside for some work or something, I would minimum meet 100 to 150 people at a time. Like if
Wow.
we are in exhibitions or something. So every
Uh,
time you meet a new person, a new personality, and it gives you a very different experience. You will learn that you don't know anything. You have to learn everything from day one. I mean, you feel like, okay, I'm sitting at this designation, but eventually you are still learning. And I think tourism is like that. You have to learn, learn, and learn. Otherwise, you can't survive in the market. So, in City Library, there was an event in Mysore. That is in 2020 only, last year. That was my first roadshow after COVID. Roadshow, it means like travel and tourism meet, which we had recently, like last week itself, we had in Bangalore also. Here we invite all the travel and tourism fraternity over there. Whoever are like travel agents, travel bloggers, content writers, whoever are related to tourism. And just like 11 to 1 was my event in the morning, till noon with lunch. And around 10:30, that's a very happy moment for me, but it was very scary. It was like a thing. And that 10:30, I'm getting a call from PA to Maharaja, Yaduvir Singh. And it was very scary because he called me at 11 o'clock, and my event is also starting at 11 o'clock. After that, the people who already started coming in, because sharp 11 we start. It was 10:30, but sharp 11 it starts. I had to ask my agency who are working on my behalf. My colleagues were there to help me out. They had to wait almost for till 12:30. I was with, it's a very proud moment that I was sitting with them. I was discussing about Statue of Unity, Ranotsav with Maharaja. His Highness that he gave us time. But after that, when I came back, I was really scared that what these people will react to me, because making them wait, and it was almost 100 plus. It was not even 40 to 50. It was 100 plus people waiting for me. And I am nothing at that moment because they are presidents, they are secretaries, they are tourism officials. So they are all waiting over there. Yeah. And after that, yeah, I went and they all gave a round of applause that, we have been years and ages in Mysore. We never got an appointment. You got an opportunity to meet him from his end. You didn't even, that's what. At a point, it was very scary. But at a point, it was very, very, this very happy moment, very proud moment for this. And I got hell amount of appreciation for this. Yeah, it's a good incident. And we get many opportunities to meet ministers. You learn half their work. And it's a really nice thing to learn, From finance, I think I have totally jumped to public relations or media interactions or marketing promotions. It's totally a different area right now where I'm working.
Correct. So, like you said, you had a road show. So, are these the plans to bring the tourism industry back and tourists back to Gujarat or?
Yeah. So road shows are focusing on the local people who are related to travel and tourism. For example, the tour operators, travel agents, travel bloggers, just to provide them the accurate information, just to provide them what government is giving allowances, or there are many schemes where they are benefited. This is a knowledgeable session, an interactive session with the local officials. Now, coming down to bringing up the market back, recently, like especially after COVID, we have been very proactive in and very aggressively marketing, getting in touch with the NGOs. We are getting in touch with the associations like you guys, or we are getting association with the colleges, tourism colleges. We are promoting over there. We are also having many different kinds of drive, like plantation drive or heritage walks, and this all things which bring more and more people to come down to tourism and build a confidence, that if we are traveling, you are safe enough to travel with us. So these are the kind of things where we are taking an initiative at the end of the day, and it is resulting really good. It is resulting really good. I think before 2 days, Times of India had a article that Gujarat is going full, because like every part of my India, we have 17 offices across, which are working as I am working in Karnataka. We have in Andhra, we have in Kerala, we have in Tamil Nadu, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai. Everyone is working so aggressively and dynamically, and it is resulting really great, really great. So we are giving what we are saying, like even people are scared to go, like, okay, is it free? I mean, is it like safe or not? Are they taking COVID
Hmm.
precautions?
Hmm.
But everything after going, I think mouth publicity is working more right now. That it is pretty safe
Hmm.
to go and come back. It
Hmm.
is very nice. So, yeah, it's
Hmm.
doing good.
So it's actually like from since last year, people have been sitting at their home and they are wishing to go out and venture out somewhere. But it's yes, definitely that fear is still there. What if we go and we
Correct.
catch COVID or something like that? So
Correct.
precautionary measures and all are big things
Correct.
to talk
It
about.
plays actually a major role. It actually plays a major
Uh,
role. And you won't
yeah,
believe we
and
have 50% who are senior citizens traveling to Gujarat. And
oh,
they're very happy with
oh,
all the safety and protocols what we take for COVID. They're very
हाँ.
happy.
So they must be coming back and saying कुछ दिन तो गुजारो हमारे गुजरात में.
Gujarat mein, exactly. That's true. That's true.
So yeah, because word of mouth is the main thing
It's the
right
best.
now because it will
Correct.
create a trust. Those people
Correct.
are back after the travel. They will only generate the trust in others.
That's true.
Okay.
That's true. And we also have many groups next
Hmm.
week. I think they are traveling from Bangalore to Gujarat. So that is
Oh.
also nice. Yeah. So we have
Yeah,
people
talking to you,
traveling
I'm
now.
so interested now. I think when India need to plan a trip to Gujarat soon,
For sure.
we will.
I'll take care
So
of all the arrangements. You just let me know when you wish to go.
yes, we know who to contact and help us to arrange it. We'll see who all our members will like to join.
For sure. For sure.
So, yeah, what will you tell to our young women? I know you are also pretty young, but still, if there are younger than you, so what will
Yeah,
you
yeah,
like
yeah.
to tell to young women who are just starting work and what they should know, how to start their career and what they should focus on?
Okay. Coming back to me, my personal experience, what I have learned, it's like
Hmm.
I was a very reserved girl who used to be into her nothing much. I won't talk to much people. I don't like to talk to much people. And I think now you can see I'm the most
Hmm.
talkative human being around.
Hmm.
And I think one should be just very open to learn, no matter
Hmm.
whatever it is. Like from finance, if you can see, I am going into a sector which I haven't
Hmm.
even studied. Okay, it was just a
Correct.
part of my studies, but it is not the focus of my studies. And
Hmm.
after all
Hmm.
this, I think I have become self centered with myself because you have to be very confident when you talk about being into one career. It can be anything. You just have to be
Hmm.
very confident. You have to trust yourself first. And no matter
Hmm.
whatever happens, you have to just keep smiling. Just accept it. Even if
Hmm.
it's a mistake, just accept it and learn from that instead of becoming negative. So
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
think what I have done, even I have screwed up many times. I have got many fines or memos have been named. Like I had to pay many things. But I think I have learned. Instead of running
Hmm.
away, I stood there.
Hmm.
I learned, and I think I'm growing slowly and eventually. So
Hmm.
that is the thing. Just have to be very dynamic and open-minded to learn everything. And comes to security and safety of oneself, I would say
Hmm.
you should be very strong emotionally
Uh,
as well as physically, and I
hmm.
think it's fine. It's fine.
Hmm.
Nothing to worry.
Hmm. So, what is the most significant difference you see where your career has brought in you?
From a
Like,
silent
what
girl to
is?
a very talkative girl.
Uh,
And second is like uh, it taught me many things. I would say the
hmm.
first thing was initially I was like, okay, I know everything, but then I understood no, I don't know.
Hmm.
I don't know nothing. I mean, I am
Hmm.
very very small enough in front of the people who come and meet me or the people whom I work with. That is
Hmm.
very essential for a person to understand. And
Hmm. Hmm.
the second what I learned was never to be ashamed of the mistakes you create, because you're
Hmm.
working hard, then only the mistakes are going to happen. So you just have to learn
Hmm.
from your mistakes. Second
Hmm.
drastic change was uh, when I'm in a service or hospitality industry, we
Hmm.
are taught to represent ourselves in a person where you are taught how to groom yourself, how to talk, what all languages you should know, and how
Hmm.
to be a quick decision maker. You should be very sharp. When
Hmm.
something happens, you have to be very quick. When you are on an event, you have
Hmm.
to be very, very sharp, and you have to be very conscious when you are saying your decisions or when you are tackling the situations. There will be many
Correct.
situations where you have to take care of media. You shouldn't
Hmm.
get
Hmm.
into any kind of controversies or something. So this all
Hmm.
things I think it nurtured me. I would say, like, you know, your mom also nurtures you from the day you are born till now. This is, I think, the same what organization have nurtured me, and I have learned a lot of things, lot of things.
Hmm.
I had
So,
that stage fear as well, and now I talk in front of like 100 to 500 people.
yeah, I can't
And
believe that
so,
you had a stage fear, or you didn't. You were only busy among yourself. I can't believe it at all.
yeah. So, but before this, I have screwed up. Okay, I have done many mistakes. I won't say that I won't accept it, but because of that, I
Uh,
have learned a lot. A lot.
uh. That is what we have to keep ourselves open, because situations will come which we have never faced in life. There are different situations all over, so we have to accept that, how to move on, accept the
Correct.
mistake, move on, learn from our mistakes, make some changes.
Correct. Correct.
Nice.
That's true. That's true.
So which woman inspire you, Gopi, and why?
Uh, I would say my mom,
Okay.
because uh, there was a period of time where I
Hmm.
was very broke up when I came to Bangalore. It was a very new city for me. I
Hmm.
had no idea, I had no way to understand the language. There was no one.
Hmm.
And till date, I
Hmm.
didn't have anyone. Uh,
Hmm.
like, we can create friends, but before that, there was no one who was known to me. You know, there's no family, no relatives
Hmm.
around, and you have to survive alone. At
Hmm.
that moment, I had lost my way. Now, uh, before this, I used to stay in BTM, and I
Okay.
didn't knew that there were four stages in BTM. Okay, I just said BTM, and that person dropped me to BTM one. Now I feel I'm laughing at myself, but it was so scary. You have no idea. It was raining very heavily, and they dropped,
Oh.
that is Tavakere BTM first stage. There is a bus
Hmm.
stand, right? So they just dropped me there,
Hmm.
and I'm just searching where is my home. And I got so scared. I was like, Mom, I just don't want to stay here. I can't
Hmm.
survive. I am not happy with
Hmm.
this place. So much work
Hmm.
pressure, so much blah, 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 and all that happened. Okay. But after
Hmm.
that, she just explained me, like, just go and reach home first. Then she
Hmm.
explained me, like, you know, life will bring you unexpected things in your plate. That doesn't mean that you have to run away.
Hmm.
And that was the point where I took a turning point, and it changed my life. And she has
Hmm.
always been an inspiring lady from day one I have born till date. So there
Hmm.
are events at I'll experience one incident that was 2021. There was a SATE. It's an international level of exhibition. It's
Hmm.
the Asia's largest exhibition, and
Hmm.
my HOD, like, even I have two seniors, so my HOD was supposed to talk. He was a
Hmm.
panelist and a speaker for the
Hmm.
day. That was
Hmm.
26. I still remember 26th of March. And 25th
Hmm.
evening, we get to know that he's not feeling well, and I had to
Oh.
take over the diet. So I have no time.
Oh.
And around
Ah.
night 11 or 11:30, I got to know this, that okay, I have to talk tomorrow. So the
Ah.
topic was, and you know,
Were you
talking
able
in
to
front
sleep
of
in the
other.
night?
No, I couldn't. I had to do a hell amount of makeup just to look very fresh, and I had to
Ah.
look very confident. I had to keep smiling
Ah.
around, like, okay,
Ah.
nothing. I'm not nervous. I'm not scared. Nothing. But
Ah.
then I had to prepare for the whole night. And
Hmm.
next day, you won't believe, Vinita ji, it was like there are Ministry of Tourism officials sitting. There are
Mhm.
railway, IRCTC, Indian Railways officials sitting with me, and they are all seniors to me, like, definitely
Hmm.
seniors to me. So this all people are sitting on the dais, and I have to share the dais. So it's
Hmm.
very scary when they answer and when you answer. It's
Hmm.
like, you know, मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, वो यहाँ पे है. So it
Ah.
was a very scary time for me. But that
Hmm.
morning also, I just talked to my mom. I was like, okay, I'm very nervous with this thing. What should I do? She's like,
Hmm.
just give yourself. Don't think who is sitting beside you.
Hmm.
And yeah, that still I was very scared, but eventually I gave up, and I was, again, the award what you talked, that was the youngest speaker. I was given that award at that dais.
Yes, yes.
So these are the things, yeah.
Oh,
So she
wow.
has been always
Great.
pushing me.
Congrats.
Thank you. She has been always pushing me not to be negative, just to be positive. So yeah, that's the thing.
That's great. So, as you say, Gopi, your mantra is sell incredible experiences, and not product. Will you like
Yes.
to share this message with our viewers?
Yes. I think after COVID, I have given one more tagline. First, I'll start with that. That's let flourish together. It means कि
Hmm.
जैसे हमें कोविड ने एक चीज बहुत सही सिखाई है आप कभी अकेले जिंदगी में भाग नहीं सकते. You need a team, you need a group to work with you to grow. And from the day when the first lockdown was finished and when we entered the market, our motive was to promote as much as people who have lost their jobs or in the tourism industry especially, or who have faced some or the other financial crisis too because of the COVID and all that. We had a campaign which knew as Kahani Gujarati, straight from Karnataka. We had promoted all these travel bloggers, the travel agents, the travel company owners, and they have received good amount of support from the industry. And again, this was a recognized campaign from the ministry, from my state tourism board. And then I say that, tell your incredible experience is not the product. Every event I say this, if you go to Dwarka, if I go to Dwarka, how you will describe Dwarka will be totally different than how I described. So I would always say that you sell the experiences instead of selling a product. Selling a product is like you haven't been there and you're just saying what you have heard. But when you go there, experience and when you come back, it will be a different thing. As we say as mouth publicity. Mouth publicity is the best marketing tool in the market. So this works with us also. So we always say that sell incredible. First you go and experience what we give and then you sell that. It will always give you achievement. It will never let you down. So this is what I mean to say.
Nice. Very nice. Thank you, Gopi, for joining us today.
Thank you.
It was great talking to you.
Pleasure. Yes.
Now I'm looking for vacations. I'll talk to Sejal and we'll plan soon for Gujarat.
I am just waiting for your second call after this session.
Yes. So, and I forgot to mention that today, the 7th day, the color is royal blue for Navratri. And we wish from When India side, oh yeah, you are also. I just remembered looking at the color and I didn't mention the color. So yes, thank you all for joining us today and we wish everyone a very happy Navratri. We will be back tomorrow at 4 o'clock with Usha ji.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.